We are made for service, to care for each other. We are made to love each sister and brother with love that will live through sorrow and pain, a love that will never die with strain. God sent His Son to show us the way, one who shared His love